YouTube. So today I am gonna be making some slime. I literally don't know what color I'm gonna use yet, but I am gonna be making slime. So I am using some Elmer's glue. So it's school glue. I'm not using Elmer's glue at all, but I'm using school glue. This is a gallon of it, so let's just get started. So yeah, first things first, you're gonna pour in the Elmer's glue into the bowl or the container, whatever you're using. So yeah. Okay, so since the bowl is in the glue, wait, it didn't make any sense at all. So the bowl is in the glue, so the glue is in the bowl. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add your color. This is the colors I'm using, so I'm going to be using some orange, because I never made orange slime before. By the way, this is a pencil I never used. That's why there's like paint over it. So I'm gonna put that there. So this is what I do every video. Each time I want to add color, each time I add color, this is what I do. That's why I think, yeah. It's kind of too messy. So I'm going to be adding, oh, I got some paint on my leg. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some yellow as well. Sorry for the camera movement. Okay. So let me get the yellow. So pretty looking. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, like putting the pencil, like cleaning the pencil. So yeah, I'm gonna close this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna put this away. In real life, it doesn't look like what it shows in the camera. Wow, this looks so cool. I'm gonna zoom in if, like, see, look how cool it is. Okay, that's too weird looking. There you go. Sorry for the background noise, I live with people, obviously. Okay. Since I put the food coloring, now we're going to be pouring some baking soda. So yeah. Wait, is it even coming out? There you go. It's coming out. Okay, that was way too much. That was way too much. It's still going to be some slime, but it's going to have that one weird feeling. So yeah. Okay, so I am mixing right now, as you can see. So yeah, I'm holding the bowl with this hand, I'm mixing with this. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your contact lens solution. Contact lens solution. And here. There it works. And look, it's gonna be turning into slime. Oh wait, I remembered. I just remembered. I have this right here with contact solution. So yeah. It's gonna be turning into slime. Whoa. There's like water noises in here. It's so pretty. I wish I had a camera, but I'm recording with a tablet. But I wish I had a camera. It's so pretty in real life. Look how cool this is. It feels kind of watery, so I'm gonna add like some. Wait, I'm gonna zoom out first. I'm gonna add some. Okay. I never felt baking soda before, and this one feels soft. Okay, there we go. It's not water anymore. Feels like fluffy slime a little bit, and I didn't add any shaving cream. So this is how you make it. So that is the end of this video. So hope you enjoyed how to make slime. Subscribe, like, and comment if you made it. So yeah, bye.